you are here in charge of alleging promoting prison contraband, possession of dangerous drugs. In this matter, we will appoint public defenders to represent you. Public defender position concerning bond.
Your Honor, in this case, a bond no more than $2,500 is appropriate. Considering the nature of the charge is non-violent nature.
All right, going to bond of $2,500. This court date in this matter will be June 19th at 1:30. Do you have any questions? All right, then excuse. Thank you.
We have a sheet already. And a copy.
So,
Yeah, like.
Good morning, your name, please. You're muted at the jail.
You said I'm muted.
You're not anymore. They unmuted you. Your name, please.
Damien Nieto.
Nieto, you are here in charge of alleging assault from yesterday. On this charge,
Yeah.
I'm going to release you. You're in custody for other matters anyway, and give you a court date on this matter on July 9th at 8:30. You have no contact with the victim. Any questions?
No, sir.
All right, excuse. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, your name, please.
Morning, Tim Carroll.
Carol, first you have a warrant out of South Tucson. Prepared to appear in a shoplifting charge. In that matter, I'm going to release you. Set for hearing tomorrow at 10 o'clock. You remain in custody because you have a felony matter. Then you have some matters in the justice court. There's 2 warrants out of the justice court. One for fair to appear 2 warrants for fair to appear in shoplifting. In each of those matters, we said bond $250. We'll appoint Gil Gupton as your attorney. You'll be seen on those charges tomorrow at 1 o'clock.
Yeah, I think so much they need to be done.
Then you have a number of warrants out of the Tucson City Court. You have charges from February 25th, 2020, shoplifting with failure to appear. That matter. Set bond another $250. Will appoint the city public defender's office to represent you. You'll be seen again on those charges on June 18th at 1:45. Any questions?
So I got released on everything in this state for the felony.
No, you're being held on bond for everything. You still got the felony too, so.
But
So you can be held in custody
until what, in jail, sir?
until your felony's taken care of. So I assume that's gonna be the,
Okay, so my misdemeanors are taken care of, but you just gotta take care of your felony.
your misdemeanor's still pending. You see a judge tomorrow. You see judges tomorrow about your misdemeanors.
And then I'll probably be released on both.
I have no idea. It's up to the judge to see. Yeah,
Okay.
all right, maybe she's, yeah, she's gonna hold on felonies.
Or just take the bond. Is that what
Good morning, your name, please?
Does it bench know what you do?
You have a number of files. First, the city court. For failure to appear in some review hearings. That's for 4 files. That charge said bond at $500. Point to PD. And you'll be seeing these charges on Thursday at 1:45. And you've got some other charges out of justice court. A warrant for appearing disorderly conduct. That matter, I'll release you on the court date of July 1st at 9 a.m. Then you have some warrants out of Gila County Global Justice Court, a bad check charge. That matter will also be released court date June 23rd at 10 a.m. You gave me June 23rd date. That's a Sunday. For vote.
My apologies, it's June 20. It's gonna be June 24th. My apologies.
The next court date then that is June 24th at 10 a.m. in the Global Justice Court. Then you've got another file, same place, so search for the same date and time. Any questions?
Those are-
All right, excuse, thank you. Good morning, your name, please?
Bill Black,
Yes, sir. Black, you've been charged with domestic violence assault last night. On these charges, I'm going to release you on your promise to appear. The condition of it, commit no further acts of domestic violence. You have no contact with Brittany, you know where she lives or works. You must coordinate this matter and just reported July 9th at 10:30. Any questions?
No, sir.
All right, you excuse, thank you. Good morning, your name, please?
Jennifer Bonhart.
Wait just a second. Bonner, you have charges last night alleging 5 counts of disorderly conduct, 6 counts of disorderly conduct, and 2 counts of assault. On these charges, I'm going to release you on conditions that you have no contact with Muhammad or Erica at a lake, at Adagway. You know where she lives or works, or they live or work. The next court date in this matter in the city court is July 8th at 2 o'clock. Any questions?
No, sir.
All right, then excused.
Thank you.
Morning, your name, please?
Alejandro Cotto,
What do you have charges from? Last knowledge of domestic violence damage, domestic violence conduct, possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of prescription-only drugs, as well as domestic violence assaults. Then you have charges from February 8th, 2023, at theft charge and failure to appear. Charges from May 29th, 2023, domestic violence damage and failure to appear. Charges from July 12th, 2023, shoplifting, failure to appear. And finally, July 12th, also another assault, disorderly conduct, 2 disorderly conducts and paraphernalia. This time I'm going to hold you in a bond of $1,000. I'll appoint the city public defender's office to represent you. You have no contact with Monica Chacon or Gina Burnett, I think. Monica Chacon, with Monica Chacon or Carmen Barnett. You're not going to really live or work. And you'll be seen again on these charges on June 18th at 1:45. Any questions?
what's gonna happen?
Excuse me?
What's gonna happen when my man's there?
You can stay in custody until that hearing unless you post bond. We'll appoint a lawyer to represent you, talk to the lawyer about what could happen, okay? All right, you're excused.
We're gonna say this on
Good morning, your name, please?
Antonieta Gallego.
There you go, you have been charged with 2 counts of assault and 3 counts of disorderly conduct from last night, and these charges will release you on condition consuming alcoholic beverage any amount for any reason. You stay away from 3700 North Oracle. And your next court date in this matter is July 9th at 2 o'clock. Any questions? All right.
Thank you.
Good morning, your name, please?
Lena Holmes.
Ms. Joan Holmes. First of all, you're charged last time with domestic assault, domestic violence conduct. And then you also have a petition to revoke probation, which is on January 2nd, 2020. You're found guilty of DUI, placed on probation for 18 months. And you never did your counseling as ordered pursuant to the DUI. Did you take care of your counseling?
Yes, sir, I did. I didn't take the MAD class. I did take my 72 hours or something. I just forgot the MAD class. That's my error. That's my fault. I forgot the MAD class. That's just my fault. But I did take the counseling.
I want to release you on these charges, bring your proof with you. Your court date July 9th at 2 o'clock, and you also have to stay away from Melanie, not though she lives or works. Your questions?
No, let me go home.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, okay.
Cheers. morning, your name, please?
Jasmine Kelsey.
Just a second. You can charge of miscellaneous threats, miscellaneous conduct, miscellaneous assault from last night. On these charges, I'm going to release you on the condition to commit no further acts of domestic violence. The next court date on these charges will be July 23rd at 1:30. Any questions?
So I'm getting released tonight? We'll take,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Warren, your name, please? Your name?
I'm sorry?
Your name?
Oh, Christopher Line is the legal name.
You have charges like domestic conduct and domestic assault last night. On these charges, I'm going to release you on your promise to appear. Condition commit no further acts of domestic violence. You have no contact with Alexander Evans. You do not go where Alexander lives or works. You may return to police escort if necessary to get your belongings. The next court date in this matter, the city court is July 23rd at 1:30. Do you have any questions?
So how do I get my stuff and belongings? So I have
Contact
a
the police.
police escort?
Contact the Tucson Police Department to arrange, okay?
I promise, I will, and I will stay away from him.
All right. You're excused.
So what happened with him?
Good morning, your name, please?
Morning, Lieutenant.
Just a second. Even charge of misdemeanor conduct and misdemeanor assault from last night. On these charges, will release you on the condition to commit no further acts of domestic violence. The next court date in this matter in the city court is July 23rd at 1:30. Do you have any questions?
Oh, yeah.
All right, you're excused. Thank you. Good morning, your name, please?
James Overs.
So you have charged for last night in possession of drug paraphernalia, and this charge I'm going to release you. We're going to appoint the city public defender's officer to represent you, set you for review here on July 10th at 9 o'clock. You still have to deal with the whole probation. Any questions? No. All right, you're excused. Thank you. Good morning, your name, please?
Seymour.
Excuse me?
Seymour.
Okay. You are here on charge of the city court 1st November 3rd of last year, conducting government operations with failure to appear. And the charge of March 16th of this year, trespassing with failure to appear. These charges will release you, giving you court date in city court July 17th at 9:30. Any questions?
Next court date, July 17th?
July 17th, yes.
Yes, sir.
All right, you may speak. That's it. Thank you. Warren, your name, please?
Kelsey Reinhardt.
Reinhardt, you are here in charges from last night, alleged domestic violence, assault charge, and domestic violence or conduct, or is charged under the issue on condition to commit no further act of domestic violence, and the court date in city court is July 23rd at 1:30. Any questions?
No, thank you, thank you.
Let me see. So next what you got? Is our interpreter online?
Good morning, Judge. Interpreter is here.
And next two should be our Spanish speakers.
Thank you, Judge. Oh, understand.
For these, is putting back, aggression, no, legal, and she's a beast.
Good morning, your name please?
Muy buenos días. Le habla la intérprete. El juez acaba de preguntar su nombre, por favor.
Richard Joan Lugo Peña. Señor juez.
My name is Richard Joan Lugo Peña.
Okay, so you've been charged 3 counts of domestic violence or conduct, 1 count of domestic violence assault from last night.
Señor, usted se le está imputando 3 cargos de conducta desordenada con el alegato de violencia intrafamiliar y también el cargo de agresión con el alegato de violencia intrafamiliar, y esto pasó anoche.
These charges, I'm going to release you on your promise to appear.
Lo voy a dejar salir libre bajo palabra, bajo estos cargos.
You have no contact with Ms. Carrera.
Y bajo palabra quiere decir que usted va a comparecer a su próxima audiencia. Usted no puede tener ningún tipo de contacto con la señorita Carrera.
And commit no further acts of domestic violence.
No puede cometer ningún otro acto de violencia intrafamiliar.
And your next court date in the Tucson City Court and charges is July 15th at 10 a.m.
Su próxima audiencia bajo estos cargos en el Tribunal Municipal será el día 15 de julio a las 10 de la mañana.
Any questions?
¿Tiene preguntas?
No, solamente que no tengo nada que ver con esos cargos que están implicando, pero
No, I have no questions. I just want to say that have nothing to do with the charges that are being presented against you.
You have an opportunity to test this charge and we'll get to the later proceedings.
Señor, en la próxima audiencia usted tendrá la oportunidad de impugnar estos cargos.
muchas gracias. Que tengan un feliz día.
Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. No puede retirar.
Thank you.
Good morning, your name please?
Muy buenos días. Habla la intérprete. El juez pregunta su nombre, por favor.
Ruth Alemania Ortiz Ferrín.
My name is Ruth Alemania Ortiz Ferrin.
And you've been charged 3 counts of domestic violence. Disorderly conduct and 1 count of domestic violence assault from last night.
Señorita, usted se le están presentando 3 cargos de violencia, de conducta desordenada y 1 cargo de agresión. Estos 4 cargos son el alegato de violencia intrafamiliar y esto ocurrió anoche.
These charges I'm going to release you on your promise to appear.
Bajo estos cargos, señorita, la voy a dejar salir libre con la promesa de que usted va a comparecer a su próxima audiencia.
The condition, commit no further acts of domestic violence.
También tiene la condición de que no puede cometer ningún otro acto de violencia intrafamiliar.
Your next court date in this matter in the Tucson City Court is July 8th at 2:30.
Su próxima audiencia bajo estos cargos en el Tribunal Municipal será el día 8 de julio a las 3:30 de la tarde.
2:30.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, 8:30?
2:30.
Oh, disculpe, la intérprete se equivocó, 2:30 de la tarde.
Do you have any questions?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta, señorita?
No, muchas gracias.
All right.
No questions, thank you very much.
All right, then you may be excused. Thank you.
Muchas gracias, se puede retirar.
Interpreter may be excused. That's all we have. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge, have a great day.
Good morning, your name, please?
Rafael Bays.
Bays, you've been charged with criminal damage, DUI, leaving the scene of the accident, and failed to give information of the accident. These matters will appoint the public defender's office to represent you. Just a second.
Yes, I'll be
Just a-
getting the lawyer. Officer.
to appoint the public defender's office to represent you. These matters are released to supervision pretrial services and the condition do not drive us without license, nor consuming alcoholic beverages in any amount for any reason. You need to maintain contact with pretrial services. The next court date in this matter will be July 6th at 1:30. Do you have any questions?
With trial services,
Pretrial services. Just a second, I gave you the wrong date. Okay. It's July 1st. The next court date is July 1st. All right, any questions?
thank you. I
All right,
don't, it's always higher where it's reached. Yes, okay. That-
Mr. O'Connor.
Lamar, your name, please?
Andrew Dallas.
Second. Acknowledge you're charged with possession of high drugs from the trespass and possession of drug paraphernalia. In these matters, we will appoint the public defender's office to represent you. Wait a second. Oh, they're broken off. All right, public defender position concerning bond.
Your Honor, in the first matter, plea bond no more than $2,500 is appropriate, that's in lieu of no bond. And then on the other case, $1,000 bond is appropriate.
About that $2,500 on the trespassing charge, condition not returned to location. I guess they wrote out the drug charges. And then the drug charges are eligible for a program called Statutes Drug Alternative Program. They've agreed to enroll and complete their program. These charges may be dismissed. Are you interested in participating in the program?
Yes.
So bond of $1,000 in that one. You're in custody anyway. We'll set you for smart court hearings, or drug alternative hearings, from June 18th at 9 a.m. Council time limit 58.
Yes, sir.
Next court date on that charge, July 31st at 1:30. Do you have any questions, sir?
No.
All right, then receive them here.
It's tomorrow.
Good morning, your name, please?
Carlos de Silva Hernandez.
So you've been charged with criminal damage and DUI. These matters will appoint the public defender's office to represent you. Just a second. Matters are released to supervision pretrial services. The condition do not violate without license nor consume alcohol drugs in any amount for any reason. And you maintain contact with pretrial services. The court date in this matter is July 1st at 1:30. Any questions?
Okay.
All right, the room is excused.
Covered.
Morning, your name, please.
Roy Leonard. Aye.
You've been charged with criminal damage and disorderly conduct. In this matter, we will appoint the public defender's officer to present you, public defender's officer to bring bond.
Yes, Your Honor, I recommend the court releasing the pretrial services under enhanced supervision. He scored in the middle of range on this, 4 points and 3 points. He's full-time employed as a mechanic. And that's high state community, so I think release under pretrial supervision is appropriate.
About the recommendation of pretrial service, release supervision pretrial service for the enhanced supervision program. You need to maintain contact with pretrial service and comply with any request for an interview. The next court date in this matter will be July 1st. Everyone clear? Do you have any questions?
No, sir, no.
All right, you excuse, thank you.
Sorry.
So you should be out soon today.
No, you call this guy, right?
Yeah, not until tomorrow, supposed to call them both tomorrow.
Okay, I thought it's okay.
Call them in the morning if you can. Yeah.
I will get the front of that.
Okay, all right.
So after that.
Tomorrow, yeah, just call.
Thanks, boss.
All right, then.
Good morning, your name, please.
Mark from Governor.
Joseph, you're hearing about some of the charges. First of all, you have a warrant for Fred appear on theft, burglary, and criminal damage. And you also have new charge of possession of narcotic drug. And these matters will be appointed. Okay, break out of that. These matters appoint the public defender's officer, present you, public defender's position concerning bond.
Yes, sir, it looks like considering he scored 4 points on each scale, he has a grandmother in town that will gladly take him in. Apparently, he's a place to go. He's a 26-year, basically his whole life he's lived in Tucson. Don't think he has flight risk. I think a bond of no more than $5,000 is appropriate.
On the arraignment charge, warrant a $25,000 bond, I'll make it $7,500. Court date on that matter is June 17th at 1:30. All the charges. Got a probation hold anyway, so on the new possession of narcotic drug charge, paraphernalia, and narcotic drug make that bond $500. The court date June 19th at 1:30. Just a second. On Mendoza, you did admit an entry for the Superior Court, but then you have separate admin entry for the failure to appear, then you have an entry for the theft. Shouldn't those be the same minute entry, or you can break them up for a reason?
That is what the county attorney, Miss Jennifer Nova asked for.
Okay. theft charge is broke. I have no idea why he did it. It's about 500, that matter, court date. June 17th. It's in the arraignments. 9:30. Then he has a misdemeanor. It is a DUI. No, it's a shoplifting charge. For that matter, I'll release him. Court date of July 9th at 8:30. Any questions?
No.
All right, you excuse, thank you.
Good.
Good morning, your name, please.
Jason on 10.
You've been charged with impersonating a police officer in this matter. We will appoint public defender's officer to present you. Just a second, please. These charges will release on your promise to appear with the condition you do not return to the incident location. Next court date, this matter is July 1st at 1:30. Do you have any questions? All right, any excuse, thank you. Good morning, your name, please.
Christian Nieves Hernandez.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir, you've been charged aggravated DUI because you are suspended both the prior DUI. In this matter, we will appoint the public defender's officer to present you. Just a second, please. Matter, I'll release you supervision, pretrial services, with condition you do not drive as a valid license, started consuming alcoholic beverages in any amount for any reason. You maintain contact with pretrial services. The next court date in this matter is July 1st at 1:30. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
I'll ask you to excuse, thank you.
The public will release it.
Okay, that's it, we're done, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Yes, sir.
That's really weird.